Hi, I'm Tina Bennett, and today we're going to talk about paternity. What is paternity? It's establishing your legal rights to a child. Some of you want to establish your legal rights, some of you don't. So, one of the things that have recently come up in my practice, and I've just got to stop wiggling around in my seat, is that you can't sleep with a married woman. I think that's one of the problems I've encountered. So, men out there, if you want to have sex with what you think is a single woman, you need to ask her for proof that she is divorced when she says she was divorced. Because if you don't, that child will not be yours until you establish paternity. So, how do you establish paternity? In New York State, you have to file a petition with the family court. If the woman is married, you need to list the husband's name on that petition. If you do not, the petition gets dismissed. The other thing you have to do, which is very personal, is talk about when you had sex with her last, how long you had sex with her. And remember, some of these women have sex with multiple people, so they're not even sure who the father is in the first place. So when you get a petition in the mail that you never filed that says you're the dad, remember, when you go to court, ask for genetic marker testing. Do not waive that ever. So going back in time now to when you were a teenager and you had sex ed class from whatever, and they said, wrap it before you pack it, or any other type of things you could think of, you really should. Do not trust women when you're having sex with them, because if they say, I got the shot or I'm on the pill, women are devious nowadays. Best protect yourself. Put it on. I'm sure you can get a coupon for Trojans or go to some Planned Parenthood place and get that. Again, remember, women, don't trust them if you're having sex with them, and especially if you're drunk, figure out a way to do it. So the other thing you have to know about is when you're looking for that special someone that you think you're going to have, you're getting ready to have sex, look in their eyes. Make sure they don't have crazy eyes. Because do you really want to have a child with somebody who looks like they're absolutely nuts? The answer is no. They will make your life completely miserable. I see it all the time in my caseload. All you have to do is look on Facebook. A normal woman, crazy woman. So again, do not trust women when you're having sex. Make sure you wrap it by yourself. And if you don't know how to do it, practice on a freaking banana, okay? Don't come see me. Prevent unwanted children, because all you're going to do is have a lot of child support obligations. So as my husband says, sometimes it's better for them to swallow. Okay, remember. So Tina Bennett, just here giving you amusement and a tip.